So guys, tomorrow might be a big day because Nate and Siggy and I will meet and we will record some videos, and I have a plan. I have one trend that you need to do with your friends. I mean, they're not my friends, they're my cousins, so still. So tomorrow it's going to be a big day. I don't know who's gonna record. Nate, me, or Siggy might record also, so it's going to be a big day. And also, as I was saying that, I thought of another trend, and we might be a little late, but we still did the trend. Yeah, so tomorrow's going to be the big day, and I'm saying on why we're going to meet, three of us, because we are going to the reunion of Manaleses. Yes, I'm a Manalese. My dad is a Manalese. And also as Nate and Siggy. So, I mean, their dads are Manalese. So, yeah. So, tomorrow is going to be a big day. We might not record much, but we're going to record some. Alright? Stay tuned for tomorrow. We might take long to record, but it's because Nate and Siggy might take a while to go, so, or maybe just Siggy, because maybe Nate will be first to go there and I'll be second, and then Siggy will be like third. So yeah, watch out for that and stay tuned just to get some, now tomorrow is going to be a big day. How many times have I said big day? Do they already know it's a big day? Yeah. So tomorrow, yeah, I already know big day. So peace out, boys. Stay safe.